And we have seen that the teachers, they've announced that there's going to be a demonstration on the 28th of March. And that is, I think, just a few days before the 31st March a demonstration. So what is happening is that Comrade Geza has begged that much, and we are going to go to that statement later. Obet Masaraure says we continue to mobilize towards the 28th March teachers strike. Teachers will stay at home, sending a clear message to employer that we need a quarterly review of our conditions of service in line with government policy. Teachers are united across union divide. So this is what he said. They are not getting into the streets. They will simply stay at home. And I believe that it's a wise decision which they've made. The biggest challenge has been to get into the streets. A lot of people are saying it's not safe for teachers to get into the streets. Now that they've announced the teachers will then stay at home, I believe it's a wise demonstration. So let us go to the statement of Comrade Geza and understand what I had to say right here, because at this point in time, he remains a very, very important figure. Whatever which is said elsewhere, there is need for him to come and speak. He said, it has come to my attention that there are some people claiming that I don't support the proposed protest by teachers on 28 March 2025. I firmly support them, and any other protest planned